In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on mshein.com. First, navigate to the Shein website using your browser. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to get familiar with the setup. This home page is your gateway to Shein's vast array of fashion items. Now, if there's something specific you have in mind, head straight to the search bar, conveniently located at the top of the page. In my case, I'm searching for a dress for women, a staple in any wardrobe. Type your desired item into the search bar and hit enter. You'll be presented with a range of options to peruse. This part can be fun as you explore different styles, colors, and designs. As you scroll, keep an eye out for that perfect dress that speaks to your personal style. Once you find a dress you like, just click on it. This action will take you to a detailed product page where you can see an enlarged image, read customer reviews, and view other product details, providing all the information you need to make an informed choice. After you've settled on the dress that's perfect for you, it's time to add it to your shopping bag. Look for the Add to Cart button, typically located near the price information on the product page. But wait, before you hit that button, make sure to select the color you're preferring. Shein usually offers a variety of colors for its products, letting you choose the hue that best matches your needs. Once you have selected the color, don't forget to pick the size. Correct sizing is crucial for that just right fit, and luckily, Shein often provides a sizing guide to help in choosing the correct size. With your color and size selected, you can now add the dress to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. Next, navigate to your shopping bag, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. This is where you can review and manage the items you've chosen. Click on the dress to ensure it's the correct item, and then proceed by clicking Checkout with Coupon if you have one available. Coupons are a great way to save money and make your shopping experience even better. Now let's move on to payment. You can select your preferred payment method from the available options. Whether you're using a credit card, PayPal, or other methods, choose what's most convenient for you. Once your payment method is selected, it's just a simple click on Continue to Place Order to finalize your purchase. And there you have it, a complete guide to navigating and shopping on mshein.com. Enjoy your new dress and happy shopping.